How to drop items in Roblox Mobile. First open the Roblox Mobile application. Make sure to sign in on your Roblox Mobile applications account. Then after that, you need to first of all open any game that you'd like to play on Roblox mobile device, or you need to join a Roblox game on your mobile device. You can search any game and join. Let's open it and tap on this play button at the bottom of the screen. You need to wait for a few moments until the game starts or you join on this Roblox mobile game. Then once it opens, you need to first of all equip an item once you have joined on a Roblox game on your mobile device. Then you need to tap on the top left corner chat icon, and once here you need to tap on the small box at the bottom of this chat box to chat. Then once this keyboard opens, you just have to tap on this backspace key multiple times. So this will help you in order to drop items in Roblox Mobile. If that worked for you, then that's good. Otherwise, dropping items in Roblox Mobile is a bit impossible. So try it. If it is working for you, then that will be helpful to drop items in Roblox Mobile. Otherwise, it may not work on the mobile. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.